Part one of my busy, chaotic evening after work. Kova has dance shortly, but she just asked me for batteries in her doll. My dog wants to go out. This looks so wrong. I'm so sorry. Just where the batteries happen to be. And now I have a sad, sad 7-year-old because this baby's not working. I'm taking the batteries back out because if this doesn't work anyway, I'm not gonna waste these 4 batteries. We gotta leave in like 10 minutes for dance class. I'm also kind of solo momming tonight because Rick is fishing. He likes to take all the kids ice fishing, but he needs to go like check the ice and check out some things on the lake before he can start taking the kids. I'm gonna open a couple quick packages that came today. It's from Young Living, one of my like sponsors. She sent me a perfume and chocolate. Heck yeah, and just some other like seasonal information. Alright, next box. What is this? Oh, nope, I know what this is. Nothing. Melatonin. We don't give our kids melatonin often, but we were running low. Sometimes it's helpful to get them back on schedule. I couldn't show you this. These are for my kids' stockings. A flashlight. They love getting stuff like that in their stockings. And this is for my husband's stocking. I think they'll fit. If not, I'll just get wrapped separately. But he likes glass straws. Alright, we're gonna get Kova's pretty pink hair put up for dance class.
I hate it.
Alright, you're probably gonna have to do scribbles when you get back from dance, okay? Forgot to start my vehicle. I'm just not used to winter yet. I also have auto start. I just forget to use it. Slipped on Rick's Crocs. Need to slip on my boots. Kova, get your boots on and your coat. We gotta rock and roll to dance. All right, first run of the evening. Kova wants you to see the sunset back there. Back home we go. All right, we're gonna have some roasted cauliflower for dinner. Luckily, I already helped myself out and made shredded barbecue chicken in my crock pot, which is so good. I'll leave the recipe in the description. Oh, I don't think this is any good. Can I salvage it? We're gonna try and salvage this. I think it'll be fine. My kids are having a little bit of screen time. Usually between daycare and supper is when they often get to have a little bit of screen time. It just seems to be the best time of the day for it. I'm ready for a little bit of quiet time, if you will, and I think they are too after a long day. So it's kind of just nice for everybody to decompress. I'm just gonna scrape these spots off of there, and I think it'll be totally fine. We're almost to the point of needing a second head of cauliflower at dinner because my kids love roasted cauliflower, and so do I, honestly. Like this, every last bite of this will be gone, and probably people will be fighting over the last of it. Here's my cauliflower, and I just do olive oil, salt, and pepper, and it's so good. All right, olive oil, and then just make sure it's all coated. Let's speed clean my kitchen. These apples that were left over from snack, they're starting to get a little bit brown. They're still fine. They were cut up like 2 hours ago. I'm gonna freeze them. I actually froze the core of the pineapple I cut for lunch too, so it's just gonna go in there and we'll use this for smoothies. Mine. Brielle made cookies this afternoon. I'm just gonna bag up the leftovers for my kids to take for school snacks. I make them take something healthy and then something more of a fun snack every day. Water break. Sippy cups. Empty egg cartons. Kids are a little bit just eating when they're hungry. This is the shredded barbecue chicken I made. This is the best recipe. And usually I do try to edit a video or two in the evening, so I'm actually gonna go sit down and edit this video that I just recorded for you guys.